should go in the bag. So they're able to actually see our intention without us even knowing it. Another very famous experiment is about numerical knowledge. Infants actually, according to the latest research, have a good understanding of numbers. So, that's something you could give. You did? Okay, you want to give? All right, I'll stand that right next to her. This. Oh, I know. It's all right. She's coming right back. Very attached. Very good girl. Look, here's Mama. Look, here's Mama. Here's Mama. You're doing great. It's all right. Yep, perfect. Okay. So, go ahead. You can give it to her. That one. What grasp is that, guys? Very good. That's a grasp. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Okay, so she's actually gone past the ulnar grasp where she would have clumsily grasped for that, Susan, with her full hand. And now she's using her finger and her thumb, which means that her motor skills are exactly where they need to be. The experiment that they did, very famous one, was actually with goldfish, where they took a container of goldfish and dumped the goldfish out. So let's say that we put, let's see, here you can do it, Susan. Don't count them out, but I want you to put about on that paper and yeah, let's see. Two.
Just
Okay. Which one? Nope. I want her to choose. What'd she figure out?
She looked at you too.
What did she know exactly? What'd she know? She knew more. Did we count with her? And she's gonna put more. We didn't count with her. And think about how close these two amounts are. But just by laying them out, Sophia was able to figure out this one has more.
I wonder if we had put those over there, if she would have gone to the closer one though.
Well, we could try. Let's see. Because she isn't listening. Susan doesn't believe me.
I'm skeptical.
She's a skeptic. Okay, Sophia, which one do you want?
Which one?
Which one? You want this one or this one?
Which one? Can you choose? You're not going to do it this time, right?
She's not going to. So, but consistently what we find is that babies as young as 7 months can differentiate between two objects as long as there's a great enough difference. Like if we had put 4 here and then 5 here, they struggle more with that. But if there's a big enough distance that they can visually see that and come up and ascertain it, they're able to change that. Good job, Sophia. You have shown us so many things. Now the last experiment I'd love to show you is something called object permanence, or the A not B error. I'm not sure if you're gonna.
Oh, it didn't get it. They're last week.
Yeah, if you grab the box and if you grab a book. Oh, you're the side. There's Mama. Look, there's Mama. Oh, I know. There's Mama. I know, sweetheart. There's Mama.
I got everything right now. We didn't go anybody.
Very good girl. Perfect. Yeah, that's great. That would be great too. Okay, so we're gonna have Sophia. Do you want to sit down again? You're not sure? Want green guy? Want hold him? We won't take him. We won't hide him. We won't hide him. All right. So let's watch Sophia. Let's see if she knows what to do with these blocks. Now, who does she look to? What does Mama show her? And Mama has probably shown her before. What do we do with blocks? Right? Here, we'll let Susan show her. Okay, Susan, stack up the blocks for her. Very good. Sophia knows when you build the blocks up, right? They fall down. So that's what we call. And she put them back together. Excellent. She's already building schemes. We use schemes to help us understand the world, like what happens when we knock a ball off of a table or a high chair. It falls and it bounces. And what did Sophia do when she picked up the ball? She held it up as though to bounce it and knocked it off the table. And Sophia knows when you have that. Excellent, Susan. She's already stacking. Very good. Very good. She's got that. She's got that down and she knows what to do, and she's knocking the blocks over. She hears the sound of the blocks moving. Very good. She's got a dropping scheme and a throwing scheme probably. Probably throws a lot of things off her high chair, right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yep, because she's figured that out. So you can see how she's going to check out the sounds. See what she can figure out from the sounds. All right, what about this? What about this one? Baby girls, you like this one? Okay, now watch Sophia's hands when her mom goes for the book. What does she do? What does she know? What do we do with books? Turn the pages. And what direction does she try and turn the pages? Which is the direction that we read, right? So she's already figured out this is that's okay. But she's figured out what we do with the book, how it's appropriate to hold a book, and what we learn from a book. And looks, of course, to Susan to help her to understand the book and to show her the pictures. And are you hearing Susan's tone? What's Susan's tone with Sophia? How does it change? Soft and high, right? And what did we call that? Motherese. Motherese is a technical term for it. It's a different pitch or tone that our voices take on when we talk to a child. And it's perfectly conditioned for development. Very good job. Very good job. All right. The last one I want to show you, and I don't know if she's going to do this, Susan, because she's a little bit nervous. Okay. But it's something called analogical problem solving.
Oh boy.
It's all right.
Sounds complicated.
It's not complicated. Okay. It's this basic idea. What's this? That when we show an infant how to solve a problem, they can take that understanding and they can apply it to other problems. So in this particular problem, this will be our last one, we're going to take this toy and we would put it away from something. So we put it like over here, okay? And then we would take another toy. Does it look like the first? No. We take another rope. Does it look like the first? No. And we would attach it. And in this particular problem, they were trying to understand how babies use their understanding of the world. Okay. Now, Sophia is a little nervous of us, and that's okay. That's part of her temperament, and that's absolutely perfectly normal. All right. So, what we would do, I'll try to put some of these visual distractions, is the first thing is that Susan would demonstrate to Sophia how she could use the string to move the object towards her. So Susan, you can pick either one.
I should might like this better.
Keep going. Where are you going with that, Mama? I said, I'm going to use it. She goes, okay, just make sure you bring it back. Okay, all right. So now, let's see. Sophia, do you want to get the truck? Do you want to maybe get the truck? No, she's a little bit young for this. But if we put her down, put her down, see if she can. Get the truck? You may not be as interested. She may not be as interested in the trunk as a baby. Oh, look at that! Very good. Very good. Very nice. So what Sophia just beautifully demonstrated for us is that she took that scheme, that understanding that her mother demonstrated for her, and she was able to apply that to a totally different object. Do you see how much they know? Vast, amazing array of knowledge. All right, so we have a little gift. I think Laura has it for Sophia.
I gave it to you.
Oh, it's right here. We have a tea set. This is for Sophia. Wow.
That's neat. Thank you.
Because she's our first little visitor.
Oh, you're going to have fun with that.
Oh, and it plays music, and she and Mama can have tea parties with their babies.
Tonight, huh?
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah, you like that, don't you? Smiley face.
What a perfect smile.
Pretty.
You're going to be an excellent college student.
She might have had a few years.
She knew, didn't she? Very bright. Roseanne.